Welcome to Think Tank. In this series, we'll break down the science behind cloud seeding, explore how it works, and discuss its potential impact on the environment. We'll also look at real-life examples from around the world, including the ongoing efforts to manage water resources using this technique. In many parts of the world, droughts are becoming more frequent and severe, threatening food security, livelihoods, and ecosystems. One innovative solution to address this challenge is cloud seeding, an effort to enhance natural precipitation through science. Without adequate rainfall, crops fail, water sources dry up, and communities are left vulnerable. This harsh reality is pushing scientists and governments to seek innovative solutions to bring much-needed rain. Cloud seeding involves dispersing small particles like silver iodide into the clouds, which helps water droplets cluster and form larger droplets, eventually causing rainfall. This process mimics natural precipitation, making it more likely for clouds to release their moisture. Planes or ground-based generators are used to disperse the cloud seeding agents. These agents, like silver iodide, encourage cloud particles to bond and grow into raindrops. The process is meticulously planned, using weather data to identify optimal conditions for seeding. As the plane releases the silver iodide into the clouds, it initiates a process where the particles provide surfaces for water vapor to condense into liquid drops. In just a few hours, the clouds release their moisture, bringing much-needed rain to the dry region below. The immediate effects of cloud seeding can bring relief to water-scarce areas, helping to ease drought conditions. The rain helps crops thrive, restores reservoirs, and revitalizes the land, providing a crucial lifeline to farmers and wildlife. Around the world, cloud seeding is becoming an essential part of water management strategies in drought-prone regions. With continued advancements in weather science and technology, cloud seeding offers a potential solution to sustain agriculture and support communities globally. Cloud seeding, harnessing the power of technology to secure a sustainable future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more from Think Tank.